Today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go! Welcome back here. I'm very excited today because I have amazing luxury bags and accessories, as you can see. Look at this! This is just crazy. I'm so beyond excited. And if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old, I'm French, and I live in Spain, in Barcelona. And I created my own company a few months ago where I sell you bags and accessories from luxury brands. And we ship worldwide. This is very important to say. You can directly buy on our website, bamluxurystore.com. And I'm passionate about luxury. I already have like a French YouTube channel and I created my English YouTube channel a few months ago too. So let's get into this because I have like very amazing bags to show you guys. Also, very important to say, we can organize payment plan for this bag because I know this is like expensive. This is a budget. This is still less expensive than other brands or the maison herself, like at the store, but still we can organize a payment plan if you're interested by this amazing Chanel bag. And yeah, if you are based in Europe, we offer Mondial Relais, and otherwise we ship with DHL or UPS worldwide. We already send bags to the US, to the UK, Australia, Dubai, Germany, and all over the world actually. So don't hesitate. Anyway, I'm gonna start by presenting you this amazing Prada wallet. This is the first Prada item I have to show you and to sell to you. So I'm very excited. This is an amazing small wallet. The material of this wallet is in nylon. On the outside, you have the Prada logo just here. On this side, you have the coin pocket. I'm gonna open this for you. The whole inside of the wallet is in leather Saffiano. This is like very special leather at Prada, very famous. And so the inside of it is very good condition. You have like marks on it because it's the coin section, so obviously it can happen. But otherwise, we have the little card from with the reference code and so on. And we have the authenticity card from Prada. So I'm very excited because it's almost a full set. We just missed like the box, but otherwise it's good. And on this side, we have the card section. So this is pretty nice. Actually, I'm very excited. You have so many different space for cards, for whatever you want to put inside your wallet, but it's insane how much it's big. And this here, you have two other pockets. The condition actually is very good. You have like two little marks here on the leather, but this is very small. Otherwise, the condition of this one is very good. The press mark is very good, actually, like the hook is very good. It closes and opens easily. And the price for this one is 189 euro. I'm gonna give you the price in euro, but I'm gonna put just here the price in USD, guys. For example, if you are connected from the US, you're gonna have USD. If you are connected from the UK, you're gonna have pounds and whatever. Anyway, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something else first, and then we're gonna go for the Chanel. I don't want to show you this too early. So this is a brand new Louis Vuitton SLG. So we have the box, obviously. We have this bag, obviously. And we have the item. I'm very excited because this is kind of a wallet coin pocket. And this is a super useful. Actually, I was hesitating by keeping it because like I was looking for something similar with cards, coin pocket and another coin pocket. So this is very fancy and very cool. This one is brand new and you're gonna see the price is pretty good also. So this side is half monogram, half black leather. So this is really nice. You have like four card section actually. This here is amazing. Let me show you. You have a keychain, so you can put your keys inside. This is very good. You can either use this for your keys or for coins. So I'm telling you, for small bags, this is the one. This is the most fantastic wallet from Louis Vuitton you can get. And here you can have like the coin section, or you can put other cards, whatever. Anyway, this one is brand new. And the price is 399 euro, guys. So this is a very good wallet. I'm gonna just put this back in her in the little dust bag, and I'm gonna put this back in the box. And I'm gonna show you something else I was dying to show you guys. I was beyond excited when I received it, because this is the first time I received such a big bag, such a big Chanel. Usually I love like very, very small bags, and now this is the one. This is a Maxi Jumbo, Maxi Classic Flap from the Maison Chanel. The color is like kind of a blue petrol. But the thing is, it's very amazing because it's a very dark blue, but it can also, depending on the light, you can have shades of gray, shades of black actually, so this is pretty amazing. The hardware is silver and it's amazing. The condition of this bag is pretty good actually. This is not brand new, but this is pretty good. You have, the corners are a little bit rubbed. You can go on the website to check the condition of the bag, and every photo I took, like a lot of photos to have like details of the bag. But yeah, these the corners on the back are more rubbed than the front one because it's very few. And also on the side you have a little bit. This is not that much actually, so this is good. Otherwise, no stain. And we're gonna open it together. So the inside is very good condition too. You can see like little wrinkles, but obviously this is not brand new. But this is still in such a good condition, guys, I'm shocked. You have a CC logo here, you have the brand here, and I'm gonna try to show you the inside of the bag. It's very, very good condition. You have no stain inside. I will try to show you maybe like this. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, this is huge and this is so beautiful. You have the sticker, which is perfect. The sticker is in perfect condition, and that is all. I don't have the authenticity card for this one, neither the box or the dust bag. I will put, of course, my dust bag. We have a sticker and we have the previous invoice. It's not the invoice from Chanel, it's the invoice from the previous second-hand store where it was bought. It was bought in another second-hand store, and it's called Fifth Avenue Luxury, and they are very famous for selling Chanel. So I'm very happy to have one that they sold, because this is an amazing one. It was sold last year. I have the invoice, so don't worry. You will be able to have it. I will send it to you by email, or I will print it for you and put it in the bag. Anyway, this is such a beauty. I just want to remind you guys that the retail price in Europe is more than 12,000 euros. It's almost 13,000 euros. This is insane. I don't exactly know the price in USD, but I think it's kind of similar, and the price is gonna be like insane. This is more and more hard, like it's harder and harder. It is harder and harder to get a bag like this in store with Chanel. So if you want it, go on the website and get it very quickly, or you can contact me if you want a payment plan. It's available. You can pay in 4 times. Okay, guys, it's available. You can contact me directly. So for this amazing beauty, the price will be 6,800 euros. Voila, this is such a beauty. We are going to continue with another bag I wanted to show you also today. Céline for today, and this is the luggage one. I really love this one because the color is just insane. As you can see, this is suede leather here. You have a black leather. This is kind of blue, black, and gray, so this is a perfect combo. Look at this. The condition of the bag is very good, actually. The front is brand new. It seems that it's discolored, but it's not. It's the way it is, actually. And the front, you have darker spots there. It was like darkener, but this is not that big. Otherwise, the condition is amazing. The inside of the bag also. The inside of the bag is pretty good. I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, this is pretty big. You have no stain. You have few pockets, 2 pockets here and 1 big pocket here. This is a gorgeous bag, actually. The inside of the bag is kind of gray-brown, and this is actually gorgeous. This bag is perfect for every day, and this is such a beauty. I really love the Céline bags, and they are very good condition. And for the price, so this one is 749 euro. Voila. Okay, let's continue with something else. We have another Louis Vuitton agenda size PM. I have another one. It's been like a while I didn't go out with one. So this is a small size. The canvas here is very good, no stain, very good condition. You have a little stain here on the clothing, but it's very usual on this kind of item because of the clothing. Anyway, on the inside, so I'm going to remove my price tag here. On the inside, you have lots of little marks. Obviously, it was used, but still in very good condition, and the price will be amazing, guys. Otherwise, this is perfect. You can put cards. You can put like an agenda inside, insert, or you can put like a to-do list or whatever you want. You can find them on Etsy. I think I'm going to link, if you want, like the inserts in the description below, so just check. Anyway, the price will be 149 euro. This is pretty cheap and pretty low for this kind of item, and it's so useful. I have the big one, but I kind of want the small one because the big one doesn't fit every bag I have, so it's kind of very useful. And the last but not the least, the Alma. So this is a Louis Vuitton bag in monogram. This is the Alma size medium, I think, for this one. I would have to reconfirm, but yeah. This is a very, very nice everyday bag, guys, and the condition of this one is very good, I must say. So, no, the canvas is like very good. No stain, very nice, not dry at all. You have a leather part. Obviously, this is a bit damaged because on this kind of bag it always is, and this is not a brand new bag. This is what we love about vintage, and this is what also is pretty nice about this kind of bags. You have like little, you don't have lots of stains on the bottom, but you have like little marks, but otherwise it's good. Here it's like rubbed on all the surface here, but on this kind of bag, on the Alma, it's completely normal. On the handles, top handles, it's a little bit darker, but nothing that much actually. This is pretty impressive. The condition of this bag is very good. For the age of the bag, it's very good. Next, the inside of the bag also is a very good condition. We don't have any stain inside. You have a little pocket just here, also very good condition. You have a sticker on the side. I can feel it here, yes. And you will have every photo on the website that you can check also from your side. But clearly, this is such a good bag and such a good investment for the price of 520 euro, guys. So this is very interesting too. Everything here is interesting, so good luck for like choosing the one you want. You can buy multiple ones. If you want every one of them, you can. Anyway, I'm very excited, and I'm beyond excited for this one. It's the first time I received a bag like this, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much for following me, for be here around and commenting in my videos. Don't forget to comment, to like, and to follow my videos. It's a lot of help, guys. It's only one click for you, but it's a lot for me, so don't hesitate. And if you want to buy anything, go on the website or contact me in the comment or directly on Instagram. I'd be very, I'm gonna be online and I'm gonna be watching for your comments. Anyway, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon. Bisous, bye bye.